Welcome to our channel. Today we will learn about a crop that is famous not only for its sweetness but also for its significant contribution to agriculture, industry and the economy. The crop is sugarcane. Sugarcane is one of the most important cash crops in the world. It is used to produce sugar, fresh juice, rock sugar, and various other food products. Just as sugarcane juice is popular in rural markets, sugarcane is also the primary raw material for large sugar mills. In today's video, we will explore the introduction of sugarcane, its cultivation methods, nutrition value, economic importance, health benefits, and some fascinating facts. Today, sugarcane is widely cultivated in countries such as India, Brazil, China, Thailand, Pakistan, and Bangladesh. In Bangladesh, sugarcane is an important cash crop. Farmers in different regions of the country cultivate sugarcane commercially. It serves as a major source of income for farmers and forms the foundation of the sugar industry. Fertile loamy or clay loam soils are considered most suitable for sugarcane cultivation. Adequate sunlight and proper irrigation helps ensure a good yield. Sugarcane is generally propagated using stem cutting, also known as sets. The land is prepared thoroughly and fertilizers are applied before planting. Sugarcane grows gradually and usually reaches maturity within 10 to 14 months. Once mature, it's harvested and sent to sugar mills or sold directly in local markets. In many rural areas, traditional methods are still used to produce jaggery from sugarcane. Sugarcane juice contains natural sugars, calcium, magnesium, potassium, iron, and antioxidants. It provides instant energy to the body. A glass of sugarcane juice on a hot day can help reduce fatigue and keep the body refreshed. Sugarcane juice also offers several health benefits. It helps maintain hydration, improves digestion, and supports healthy liver function. The antioxidants present the sugarcane may also help strengthen the immune system. Sugarcane is not only a food crop but also an important industrial raw material. Sugar produced from sugarcane is one of the most widely consumed food products in the world. In addition, bags the fibrous residues left after extracting juice is used for making paper, generating electricity, and producing various fuels. An interesting fact about sugarcane is that a fully grown sugarcane plant can reach a height of 3 to 6 meters. Each stalk stores a significant amount of sweet juice which humans have been using for thousands of years. However, sugarcane cultivation also faces several challenges. Disease, pest infestations, irregular rainfall, and rising production cost can create difficulties for farmers. Therefore, the use of modern agriculture techniques and improved sugarcane varieties is highly important. Dear viewers, sugarcane is not just a crop, it's a valuable source of livelihood of farmers, an essential raw material for industry, and a nutritious resource for people. Just as its sweetness adds joy to our food. It also makes a significant contribution to the economy. As we come to the end of today's journey, we can see that sugarcane is much more than just a source of sweetness. It's a crop that supports millions of farmers, powers industries, and contributes significantly to the economy. From green fields to sugar mills, and from refreshing juice to countless everyday products, sugarcane plays an important role in our lives. The next time you enjoy a glass of sugarcane juice or add sugar to your favorite drink, take a moment to appreciate the hard work of the farmers and the incredible journey behind every stalk of sugarcane. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating exploration. We hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new today. If you found this documentary informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. Your support motivates us to create more educational and inspiring content. And don't forget to subscribe our channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming videos about agriculture, nature, and rural life. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and stay connected with nature. Thank you so much.